Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. Sodium phosphate is a substance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. So, D. Yum. Phos. Fate. Sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate is generally safe in moderate amounts and is commonly used in food processing and cleaning products. However, excessive intake can lead to health issues. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sodium phosphate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.